Good morning everyone. Welcome to your LFCS online YouTube classes. I am your Pooja Maurya teacher. So today I am going to explain you summary of chapter 4, a new name. Okay. Open your page number 29. Yes. And today I am going to explain you whole summary. So listen it carefully. So students, in this story, she is a 10-year-old girl, Korean girl story, whose name is Kim Sun Hee. It's a Korean name, and her brother Kim Tae Yul. Okay, so it is a year of 1940 when the Japanese taken over the Korea, and the Korean people were very unhappy that the Korean take over. Japanese taken over the Korea, and because of that they have to learn the history of Japanese and follow their culture and language, and also they comes to know that they have passed the law that the Koreans names are going to change, and the Korean people have to take a Japanese name. So all the peoples are very unhappy, but they have to follow the Japanese rules. So Korean girl Kim Sun Hee is very unhappy. So she is whispering her name over and over again, that because to learn her new name Kaneyama Kyoko, and his father helps him to choose the new name Kaneyama Kyoko. And Korean names are very short and Japanese names are too long. So few days after the Japanese name, there is a very confusion between the school students. They have to take on a name of Japanese name, but sometimes they speak Korean names. So they are very confused in the schools. But Kyoko means Kim Sun Hee. She is trying to do better. And also her class teacher is also try to be patient, that the children are learning to take a Japanese name. And one day और एक दिन क्या होता है, Onishi Sang was in the room, and he is coming there to observe all children, that they are using their Japanese names or not. And Kyoko is a very bright student. She never do anything that teacher will punish her. But on that day, by mistake, she said that Mangin instead of Magami. Okay, उसने मंगिन की जगह मैगमी बोल दिया. मैगमी की जगह मंगिन बोल दिया. And teachers and Onishi Sen look her, and Onishi San is very angry man, and he looked her very abruptly. The teacher glanced him quickly and could see surprised faces and other students. सब बच्चों के faces क्या थे, सरप्राइज हो गए थे कि ऐसा अचानक से इतनी अच्छी लड़की ने ऐसा बोल दिया, वो भी Onishi San के सामने. And after that, teacher didn't want to beat her, but she has to, due to Onishi San was there, and the teacher beat him with a bamboo stick. When the bamboo stick switched on the air and put it on his hand, whack on the hand, जब भी उसको डंडा उसके हाथ पे लगता है तो उसके मन में सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ आती है, अनफेयर 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 मीन्स मेरे साथ जो भी हो रहा है अनफेयर हो रहा है. वाई? बिकॉज दे were not given any time to learn their Japanese name. And after that, what happened? Uh, she wants to be angry because she lost her Korean name, and she wants to change her name, but the Japanese people's taken over the Korea, so she has to take Japanese name. And her friend टोमो जो था वो उसका बहुत अच्छा दोस्त था, एंड ही प्लेड विद हर ड्यूरिंग द स्कूल टाइम्स ऑफ अर्ली, और वो उसको सन ही बुलाता था. उसको आदत थी किस चीज़ क्या बुलाने की, सन ही. तो ही इज़ प्रैक्टिसिंग लॉट्स टू स्पीक कनियामा कियोको, बट it is very difficult for him, and he stamped his foot and in frustration and shouted Kyoko 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 Kyoko. These words he is using means he is not using a proper name of Kyoko. And Tom was laughing at a silly sound that about the name, and he also very sorry about it that the Sunhee means Kyoko has to change his name because of a Japanese. क्यों? क्योंकि वो भी खुद एक जापानीज था. जो टोमो था वो भी एक खुद जापानीज था. सो बट जब वो हंस रहा था जब वो हंस रहा था नाम ले लेके, और कियोको भी सीक्रेटली उसके मन में भी अंदर से खुशी हो रही थी. क्यों? इसलिए नहीं कि वो नाम ले रहा है हंस रहा है, इसलिए कि वो उस जापानीज नेम का क्या उड़ा रहा है, मजाक उड़ा रहा है. एंड आफ्टर अ फ्यू मिनट्स टोमो आस्क्ड हर दैट व्हाई शुडंट वी टेकन व्हेन वी आर अलोन दैट वी हैव टू टेक अ कोरियन नेम दैट सनही. बट वो क्या कहती है, कियोको कहती है नहीं, हम अगर अकेले भी रहेंगे तब भी हम अपना वही जापानीज नेम लेंगे, कनियामा कियोको. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर बाय चांस इन अ कंफ्यूजन अगर तुम्हारे मुंह से बाय मिस्टेक या कुछ भी, इफ यू टेकन अ जापानीज कोरियन नेम इन फ्रंट ऑफ द अदर्स, देन व्हाट हैपन. एंड शी ऑल्सो सेड दैट ही इज अपने मन में ही सोचती है कि he is a son of a principal and he has to set an example for others, and if he do a mistake then this is worst thing for all. Okay, and after that टोमो कहता है कि नहीं, कियोको कहती है कि ऐसे मिस्टेक हो जाएगी, कंफ्यूजन होगी, इससे अच्छा जो नाम हम लेंगे धीरे धीरे हम लोगों को आदत हो जाएगी, उसी नाम से हम बुलाएंगे एक दूसरे को, जो नाम हमारा है जापानीज नेम. उसके बाद टोमो कहता है ठीक है तुम सही कह रही हो, पर फिर भी वो इस चीज़ को उसके मन में था, टोमो उसको फील हो रहा था कियोको को, कि वो जिस तरीके से हंस रहा था, मजाक उड़ा रहा था उस नाम का, वो एक तरह से मुझे सॉरी फील उसके मन में एक सॉरी फील हो रहा था कि जापानीज की वजह से उन्हें ये सब फील करना पड़ा. सो होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस स्टोरी about the Kyoko. This is a very wonderful story, hope you understand it. And your homework is you have to write summary of this chapter 4. Okay, a new name. आपको summary लिखनी है इस chapter की in your homework copy. So goodbye students, have a nice